Hi, how y'all doing? This is Rene Gonzales from Atzenhoffer Collision Center. I've been in the collision business since 1996, in the automotive business since 1990. I've been working at Atzenhoffer Collision Center since 2012. We're getting an expansion done to the back of our collision building where the metal department is. We're going to add 2,200 square feet of part storage for our parts personnel and collision parts to be stored in and mirror matched. So we're going to gain some space in the collision center to work on more vehicles and add personnel. We should be completed sometime in June of 2024 this year. Come and meet our collision 5-star staff where we meet y'all by accident.